Hi everyone, my name is Harpreet and you are watching The Popular Sing. So here I'm back with my another video. So in this video I will tell you two most important and useful websites which are very beneficial for the students who are preparing for their IELTS exam, and uh, this video is very helpful for those who doesn't have sufficient IELTS study material. So in this video I will explain step by step how you can use these websites to prepare for your IELTS examination. Also, this website contains all the IELTS practice tests and ebooks, and I will tell you how to download those ebooks and use them for the practice. So now let's start the video, and before that, if you are a first time viewer on my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and if you are already a subscriber, then don't forget to like and comment in the comment section. Now let's get started. Now just go to Google and type IELTS material.com. I will put this link in description too, and you can visit this website from there directly. Also, I will put several links to Google Drive as well, where you can get some of the books which I prefer for learning. Now you can see on the screen the website is IELTS material, and on the home page you can see IELTS book, reading, listening, writing, speaking, thoughts, preparation and study in Canada. So these are the major segments. So now if you want to practice reading, then just click on reading, and this website is very useful as I believe, because it contains several practice tests. So I recommend everyone to use this website. Now after clicking there, now click on the practice reading test. Now you can see on the screen, when you scroll down, you can see the number of practice tests. Here is the list of 70 practice tests. You can see here. Here is the list of 70 practice tests. So you can see the number of practice tests here. Now let's see about listening. Again, just click on practice listening test. So now you can see on the screen, when you scroll down, you will find ample number of listening tests, and whenever you click on any of these, like I will click on test 1, it will direct you to the listening page, listening audio and the test. Okay, so you can practice your listening from here. So and here you can also approach for solutions and transcript which is used. So now I will tell you about the writing. In writing there are two sections: writing task 1 and task 2. So you can prefer any of these and you will find a similar test here like you seen in reading and listening. Now in speaking, you can see sample questions from IELTS speaking part 1, speaking part 2 and speaking part 3. Cue card samples are also there. Like if I click on part 2, which is cue card part, so you can see the topics list: IELTS speaking part 2 topics 2019, IELTS speaking part 2 topics 2020. Like if I click on this, here you will find 50 recent topics which are used, which were there in 2020. You can see here the first: a house or apartment you would like to live in. Second is an interesting animal you have seen. A successful small business. A crowded place you went to. So you can see the list. This page contains 50 IELTS speaking part 2, like means cue card. 50 cue cards you can see here, and you can practice these cue cards by your own, so that it will help you in your real exam. Now I will tell you about the another website. Just click on the new tab and type cueposter.com. So this is the overview of website, and this website is also for the preparation of IELTS exam. And here you can find, similarly like previous website, reading, journal training, IELTS writing 1, writing 2, general writing, listening, speaking, and cue cards. So these are the major segments of this website. And in this website you will find all the practice tests, like you have seen in the previous website. It is similar to those, but the practice tests are different, so you can practice a lot from these two websites. Let me show you one of the example. Like if I click on reading, again when you scroll down you can find the reading practice tests 127, 126, 125, 124, 123. So there are ample number of reading practice tests, like its number is 127, so they are more than sufficient for preparation of IELTS exam. So now I will tell you how to download books which are specially made for IELTS, which are useful for practice of IELTS exam. Now click on downloads of this website. It is on the upper left corner of the page. So you can see downloads here. When you click on download, you can see download Cambridge IELTS 11, Cambridge 1 to 12, Cambridge 14, Cambridge 13, Cambridge 11 again, and many more. And these are the books which are authorized by Cambridge examination. Here you can see several other books also, like let me see, like this one, like download official Cambridge guide to IELTS with PDF file and audio file. When you click on this, you can see it is kind of IELTS trainer, so it is both for academic and general training. So you can download this PDF file from here when you click on download. So after opening of this page, you can click on English, and now you can see, let's wait for the language conversion. Now just click on download free and guess speed limit. Download speed limit and wait for 30 seconds. After 60 seconds your file will automatically start downloading. So here you can download the book easily. Okay, so you can see a countdown here. Okay, so let's get back to work. Let's see other books. So now just click on download official IELTS practice material with PDF file, audio CD and video file. So when you click on this, you can see the overview of book here, and you can download your book from download PDF file. So it will direct you to the Google Drive link, and from here you can download the book. So you can see these links and download the book whichever is downloadable. Also you can use the previous website. So in this IELTS book section, in this website also, when you click on IELTS book, you can find ample number of books, and there are paid books also. So do prefer the free books and download and use for your practice. So these are those two websites and which I recommend everyone to use for their practice regarding their IELTS examination. Also you can find all the links in description too. So I hope you liked this video and found it helpful for you, and if you found it helpful, then please press the subscribe button and do share this video with your friends and family so that they can also download these books. And don't forget to like and comment in the comment section if you have any doubts. I will respond to your queries. And do watch my previous informative videos related to the same content. Also you can click on the card above so that it will take you directly to those videos. In my next video I will tell you about a course which is related to IELTS, like IELTS reading, writing, listening and speaking, all sections. You can do that course on that website and it is free of cost. So also they will evaluate your performance and will tell you about your scores. So stay tuned for more videos and do subscribe. Now see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.